Hey guys, it's FateofDestinee. Today's comment corner is in response to the Blindfold challenge for the Yugo M57 takedown. I've chosen 3 comments. Here's number 1. If I ever get the urge to clean my gun in the middle of the night, and the power's out, and the batteries are dead in my flashlight, I'm giving you a call. By Achiger. By the way, if I butchered your name, I'm sorry. Anyway though, I got that. Comment number 2. You are clearly way more of a man than I will ever be, because it takes me at least 10 minutes with a hammer and a screwdriver to get that little clip holding the slide stop to move. Watch out for the guns. They'll get you. Comment number 3. Let's go out. LOL, JK, chica. Although any dude would be lucky to date you. Now here's the good part. People that gave you thumbs down deserve to be punched in the face.